Work. TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN, 1 p.m. Eastern time on Tuesday. 3 hours left to go in the trading day. We have a volatile market in both directions so far. Dow right now positive by 19 points, trading 24,241. We're looking at an S&P negative by 1 point, 29.28. The NASDAQ leading the way as usual, up 41 points, or almost 0.5%, trading at 92.33. And the Russell off just 3 points at 13.17. We'll start things off on a 5-minute basis, putting things into the VIX. The VIX this morning getting a 26 handle, 26 on the dot, 27.46 right now. Jumping back to the charts, we'll start things off with the S&P 500, 29.21. You see the sell-off right at the opening bell. Markets were higher. We sell that off. We've been hanging out at these levels since then, basically right at around even for the S&Ps. NASDAQ 100, a little bit of a different story. Higher for the day, 93.26. Dow 30, 24,147. We almost made it up to 24,300 at one point. There's your crude oil chart, charging higher, above $26 for crude, 26.09. Gold contract was above 17.15 at one point. Now it's 17.06, and the euro-US dollar at 108.52. In terms of what else you have happening in the market, Dr. Fauci, he is before the Senate testifying earlier this morning, saying basically, be careful how quick you open up. You know, you're going to be able to look at what he said, but that is the story there. We'll jump to the equities. And how about Uber potentially purchasing Grubhub? So Grubhub accelerating higher, Uber accelerating higher as well. Grubhub, before this news escalated, to jump over to these two stocks, Grubhub shares were trading at about 48. We're now trading at 63. That's up 36%. Before this run began, Grubhub, a market cap of about $4.5 billion. They have about 91 million shares outstanding. So that number now rising to over $5.56 billion. We're approaching for a market cap for Grubhub. In context to that, there's Uber trading higher as well, up 8% after being negative on the day for Uber at 34.22. Uber, in contrast, valued $55 to $60 billion. Remarkable nonetheless. Both of those shares trading higher. Uber, I mean, they're just going to scoop up the other big player in food delivery at a time when everybody's doing that. Market seems to like it. Stay tuned, folks. Steve Rhodes coming up live with the Trader's Edge at 1 o'clock. Dave White with the Power Trading Hour at 2. And Tom O'Brien live from 3 till 4. Stay tuned, folks. Steve Rhodes coming up right now.